Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You came back. In this week's video, what I have for you is a quick tutorial on nail art foils, and I show you how to fix it if you mess it up. So if that is something that you're into seeing, go ahead and stick around and let's get into it. Hello. Okay, so what I have going on right now is I have cherry blossom, slate, and alabaster on my nails, all from Cascade Colorworks. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a fun little foil design on my ring finger. I did this over slate, so it might end up looking a little bit different, but I think I just want to do one. I don't know. I've been kind of into the like one accent nail thing right now. This is the McCart nail foil glue. I used it for the first time actually on the swatch, and you can see it's a little beat up because I've been carrying it around meaning to use it and just never got to it. So I'm going to use it now. And then I have these foils that I got off Amazon. They're like this fun metallic, and I will put links to both the McCart and the foils you can get on Amazon. So I'll put links to those down below. But this has just some fun rose golds and silvers and golds. So I'm going to use this matte rose gold, this matte silver, and like a shiny silver to do my nails. And I just cut off little tiny squares of those since I'm just using one, or doing one nail. And then I'm going to go over the top with the Flexi Flakes from Sparkle & Co. It's the FF1, and that's what gives it that kind of cool green flashback chromey kind of look. I just thought that was a fun little accent on there. So first thing I'm going to do, and you will need a lamp for this, and I've got my Sun UV Sun 4 lamp. It's really fun. The back looks like this. It's got 10, 30, 60 seconds, and then double power, and then the front looks like this. So, and I love this lamp. I'll also put a link down below for that. So, all right, let's get into it. Real simple, right? So we're just going to take the McCart nail foil glue. I've already filed and buffed. So I just dipped my nails like I normally do. And then I activated my nails like I normally do. Then I filed and I buffed like I normally do. And then I got to this point where I'm filed and buffed and I haven't washed or anything. That's why my hands look all dry. And I'm just going to paint this on. So I don't want to do it too thick, but I also don't want to do it too thin because then it gets kind of streaky. We're just going to paint it on the whole nail. And if you were going to do like a whole transfer of a foil, you'd really want to make sure you get like all the side walls and not get it too thick, but definitely make sure you get it thick enough to really grab onto your image. So I'm just kind of looking at it to make sure it's not like streaky, and it doesn't really look streaky to me. So I'm going to put this into my lamp for 60 seconds just to cure, and I'll be right back. Okay, and there we go. I may have put it on too thick. Look at that. I'm going to start over. Dang it. Can I wipe it off? Oh, no. Okay, so I filed that off because as you could see, that was on too thick. So let's try, and I've done it too thin before too, and when you do it too thin, you end up like streaky like this. So you want to find that middle ground. So let's try this one more time. Let's see if I can get it right this time. Like I said, this is like my first time playing around with this. So gotta find that happy medium. I think that's good. All right, one more cure for 60 seconds. Okay, and that turned out better. I saw some like weirdness down here, but we're just gonna go with it at this point. So once that is cured, I'm going to take this matte silver, and this is the side that you want to put down, and I'm just gonna tap it on there, and this stuff really sticks, as you can see. So you just want to like okay, then I'm gonna go with the pink, And again, you want to use like the silver side and not the pink side. This stuff is so sticky. So it's just going to stick right on there. And then I'll go in with my silver and get any other little spots around. I'm going to go back with my pink real quick. Yes, okay. And then I'm going to take my Flexi Flakes and I'm going to take like one of these old, you remember when you used to do eyeshadow with these makeup sponges? And I'm just going to rub over it a little bit. Just so that any of those extra spots that I didn't get any of the foils on will take the flakes just to give it a cool effect. All right, and there we go. That is what it looks like. I am going to top coat this and I'll be back with a picture. So what did you guys think of that video? Did you like that video? I really hope you like these quicker tutorial videos where I just kind of show you the thing, and that is all. If you do like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you are not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. If you have a comment, go ahead and leave it down below, or a question or anything, go ahead and leave it down below. I'm very good about responding to my comments and my questions in YouTube. If you're not in my dip powder group already, there's links to that. There's links to my Instagram. There's links to all the things and all of the colors and all the stuff that I use down below. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, go ahead and go check it out. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really trying to get back into my groove of making YouTube videos, so hopefully I will have one for you every week in the unforeseeable future. If not, don't worry, I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm always going to make YouTube videos. It just, you know, sometimes I might just go like 26 days in between videos. Whatever. I mean, I'm trying. That is all I have for you this week, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye! So I did it. I dyed my hair. What do you guys think? It's not blonde, but it's like lighter. I'm all right with it. And that line, the line's pretty gone. So just fell into a middle part today. So apparently, millennial who? Haha, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm 26, guys. 26. So, first of all, I've been using Lashify lashes and Lilac Street. I don't know if you guys have heard of Lilac Street. They're much cheaper for the little lash thingies. I'll show them to you. So these are like the Lashify ones. They're over here. These are the Lilac Street ones I just kind of threw in there. But anyway, if you guys are interested, I do plan to do a video. I kind of was just trying to figure it out because I've only been using them for a couple of months. But I feel like I don't know much, but I get them on. I think they have definitely replaced my strip lashes. I don't know that I'll ever use strip lashes again. These suckers stay on for like 6 days. So it's kind of basically halfway in between a strip lash and getting extensions. And I don't notice any damage to my lashes because I'm so careful with my lashes. I use the remover to get my lashes off so it doesn't damage my natural lashes. So they're really, really fun. And if you guys would like to see a video on that, let me know. And as far as lip stuff today, you guys, I'm just wearing the sleep mask because I didn't feel like doing full lip stuff. I'm kind of wishing now I had bourbon in my tea. My room is such a mess. I'm like trying to fall out of chair. There's so much shit on the ground right now because y'all know I've been back and forth from Lauren's house to my house. She's on vacation in Texas right now. So I'm back in my house. I'm dog sitting her dogs. I mean, can you like believe this little guy? Like, literally the cutest little guy ever. This is Oakley. She has another Pomeranian, Sadie, but she's downstairs sleeping because she's an old lady and she just wants to... I mean, I'm not giving this dog back. I gotta get going, guys. I have, like, a whole ass thing I gotta do. Don't look at my room, okay? Anyway, I'll see you next week. Okay, bye.